Raise your hand if you've ever heard or said any of the following phrases. I can't do art. I have no artistic ability. I can't draw. That's a lot of people. Every time I hear someone say these things, I cringe because I once thought those things too, and boy was I wrong. Art is essentially just following a few easy steps. Preparing, construction, sketching, and line work in color. Drawing is both a simple and satisfying pastime when you use this basic method. Your first step is preparing to draw. First, you want to gather your supplies. You will want a pencil with a small eraser, a bar eraser, pens and markers, and your coloring utensils of choice. Then and also paper to draw on, that's pretty important. Then you're going to decide what to draw. Draw what you like, not what people tell you is good. Me, I like Overwatch, so we're going to be drawing Ganymede, Bastion Sword of Pet Bird. Then you're going to find some reference images. Pinterest and Google are useful tools for this. Now that you are ready to draw, let me show you how to create good construction lines. So, to create good construction lines, you're going to want to draw basic shapes over your reference images, like I'm going to do here. This is Ganymede. He's a cute bird, and you can see he is a circle, and another circle, and a triangle, and a whoop. It's easy. Then this other reference image is a picture of my own hand, and it's a kind of triangle thing, a chicken drumstick, a rectangle, and a line, and a line, and a line, and a line, and a line. It's easy. That's all you gotta do. Where is the eraser? There it is. So, you are now going to replicate these shapes on your drawing sheet lightly, as I have done, for example, right here. And so, it's very simple. Now that the structure for your art has been laid out, you can sketch over it and make your actual drawing here. This is the sketching part. And so you're going to want to sort of sketch over your construction lines. And this is going to make a nice looking sort of image, you know. So, after you've done that, you're going to erase any construction lines that are not part of your sketch. Like this little X thing there, the bottom part of the body, stuff like that. You're going to want to make any necessary adjustments if parts look awkward, and you're going to want to add some detail, like as I did right here with the feathering almost. And you're going to want to sharpen your lines so in the next stage you can refine your product. This is what the sketching stage should look like when it is almost done. Then you're going to want to do inking and coloring. This is what it looks like, just inked. And it's printed out because I was too lazy to ink over that again. So, you're going to want to trace your lines in ink and let it dry. That is very, very important that you let it dry, because if you do not let your lines dry, then during the next step for inking and coloring, the ink is going to smear all over the place. It'll look like trash. Don't do this next step before the ink is dry. So, then you're going to erase your sketch. I'm just going to ink a little bit here so I can show you what I mean. So you're going to do that, and underneath it, it doesn't take long for the ink to dry. You're just going to erase the sketch underneath. It's simple, that was hurried, but it's not that hard to do, really. Then you're going to take your colors, and you're going to get one of them out, and you're going to lay down a flat base color. First, you're going to want to go in one direction, then another direction, and so on and so forth, to make it look very flat and even. Then, after that, you're going to add shading. This can be as simple as pressing harder, or you can use a whole different shade or a whole different color for your shading. Now, when you're done, your image is going to look something like, where did it go? Sorry. Like this. Can I make this up? No. Alright, well, you'll have to do with that. Art is made easy and enjoyable using the simple steps I just showed you. Preparing, making construction lines, using them to sketch, and line work in color. Never again will you have to say those dreaded words, I can't draw.